All right, hello. Welcome to my 1000 day challenge. This is day 580, so let's get things started. All right, like what I mentioned yesterday itself, definitely experimental trade setup is doing really badly recently itself. So I really don't see the point to continuing it. So I'm putting it on hold actually for the time being. So today's trade is actually the very last setup that I'm entering. So I think quite a few is also entering for a loss, so we further draw down from there as well. So I definitely hit the cap of 1008. The cap of negative 2000 will be placed on hold. So like what I mentioned yesterday is I will shift towards reducing further risk management in terms of that, and then further retesting in terms of back testing or even forward testing on just paper trading itself until things stabilizes before actually re-initiate the experimental trade setup itself. That's something to bear in mind. All right. Otherwise, in terms of daily market structure itself, on the US market itself, things still looks a little bit choppy, consolidation region itself. So I'll say lean towards neutral territory, no clear trend in place. On the other hand, for ASHR K-Web, China market tentatively looks to be really bearish, especially for ASHR actually being clearly rejected off the 20 exponential moving average. And then for K-Web itself is hovering very near to the bare minimum of the support region itself. And today itself is actually looking to actually break towards that. But the question, if it does break, the question is, will we stay below it for extended period of time, say more than 2 to 3 days, or will we face a very strong bounce, in which case there could be a forced breakout in that situation itself. All right, so let's see how things goes. And then finally for Bitcoin itself, relatively neutral right now. So right now we are the potential correction could, or retracement or pullback could retest the 20 exponential moving average, which is currently at around 42,800. So a retest over there was still very relatively healthy, especially we could strongly have a nice bounce above there. But otherwise, I don't see any nice potential setup. So I'm staying clear of the market for now in terms of forward trade itself. So until a very, very nice bounce near the 41K region itself, or at least a nice consolidation over here, in which case I'll be keen to enter a breakout trade. And otherwise, that's more or less about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.